If you're looking to take your proof experience to the next level, learning how to use CSS customization can make a huge difference in how your website converts. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to use CSS customization in Proof, and by the end, you'll be able to make your on-site notifications more aligned with your brand and more engaging for your visitors. Proof is already a fantastic tool to leverage social proof for boosting conversions, but customizing its look with CSS can help tailor it to fit perfectly into your website's design. This allows you to keep your site's branding consistent while using Proof's power to increase trust and drive action. So let's dive in and look at how you can add custom styles. First things first, if you're new to CSS, don't worry, you don't need to be an expert to get started. CSS customization in Proof is really straightforward. All you need is a basic understanding of how CSS selectors work, and from there you can begin styling elements to match your website's look. Once you're logged into your Proof account, head over to your campaign settings. From here, look for the Custom CSS section. This is where you can add your own styles to the notification elements Proof is displaying. For example, let's say you want to change the background color of the notification box. You can use a simple CSS code like background color, your color code. This will override the default colors Proof uses, making the notification fit with your site's theme. You can also tweak the font, size, and spacing of the text to ensure it matches your website's typography. If you want to adjust the padding or margins of the notification box, you can do so with properties like padding 10px or margin 20px. Play around with these values until you get a look that feels right. Another cool thing about CSS customization in Proof is that you can target specific elements within the notifications, like the close button or the text of your social proof message. For instance, if you want the text of your notification to stand out more, you could use font weight, bold, or font size 18px to make it more noticeable. If you're looking for advanced customization, CSS allows you to go beyond simple style changes. You can adjust animations and transitions too. Let's say you want the notifications to slide in from the side instead of fading in. This can be done by adding some custom CSS for transitions. You'd use something like transition, all 0.3s ease in out, to make the notifications appear smoother. And here's a little secret. You can also use media queries within your CSS to ensure that your Proof notifications look great on all devices. With mobile traffic skyrocketing, this is a game changer. You can use something like media screen and max width 768px to adjust your styles specifically for mobile users. Now, here's a little bonus. If you want to speed up your learning curve, try experimenting with small changes and view the results in real time. Proof lets you preview changes as you make them, so you don't have to guess how your styles will look. If you're new to CSS or just want to improve your site's user experience, customizing Proof's notifications with CSS is one of the easiest ways to get a more polished, professional look that blends seamlessly with your brand. Before we wrap up, remember that you can use Proof for free. Click the first link below for an exclusive offer that gives you a free trial with some awesome bonus features to get started. In summary, CSS customization in Proof is a powerful tool for refining your social proof notifications and making them fit seamlessly into your site's design. Whether you're tweaking the colors, fonts, or animations, this is a small adjustment that can have a big impact on your site's performance. And remember, if you want to take advantage of the full features, check out the extended free trial in the description below.